Hello there, YouTube and Facebook. Y'all know what's up. This is the leftovers. I just want to do a little braggadocious. Okay? What you see there on the end is some shrimp. Wow. What you see there in the middle is some steak. Wow. What you see on the side of that steak is a red potato. Wow. And what you see on the other side of that potato is that aglio. Oh yeah. Garlic pasta with shrimp. Okay? I just wanted y'all to see what it be like. Huh? Leftovers. Huh? Whoa, man. Gee whiz. Gee whiz. Yeah, there was a few of them I left the skin on. I see I spotted one before I took them. Yeah, I had left the skin on and rushing. You know, making I made a foil boil, y'all, also. Okay? But, ooh-wee. Mm. Mm. There's a lot of meat in that tail. Golly. Felt like R. Kelly trying to get some ass. I'm just saying. Alright, let me try this. When your leftovers taste like they just starting. Oh my goodness. I'm just saying. Look at that shrimp. You see it? It's trying to hide from me. Look at that one. Trying to hide from me. Ooh, another one. What? Another one over here with the steak? What? Another one over here? What? Oh, okay. That's leftover salmon. Let me get it going and get it with that steak there. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Come on, you two. Look, there you go. There go your visual. Yeah, man. Uh-huh. I'm just gonna say this. If you guys want to eat good every day, man, hook you up a foil boil with everything in it. I added the pasta noodles to it later. So, let me show y'all what I'm about to make. Nobody playing. I'm about to hook up some chicken, some garlic rice. I got my peppers and onions, some green beans, organic carrots, sweet potato, 2 hot links. Everybody playing, huh? I'm gonna cut my hot links up. Well, no, I'm gonna push it out this time. Well, no, it's not sausage. It's not sausage, so it's a thin casing, so there's no pushing out. But I'm gonna slice them. I'm gonna cut it here and then slice long pieces. Okay. I don't like eating them little round ones now that I'm an adult woman. And then I think that's all I'm gonna put in this one. Yeah, just chicken and I think it was something else I was gonna do. Chicken with rice and green beans, and then I can have chicken with sweet potato, rice, and carrots. Okay, and then I can have rice, hot link, green beans, and carrots, and potato, if there's any left. But I was thinking about, you know what? I'm forgetting my red potato. Yeah. I need a red potato. I need another potato. Alright, y'all. So when I hook this one up, I will let you know. Because this one ain't as big as the last one. You know, I had my crew in mind when I made the last one. But now I'm just having me in mind. And yeah. I'm going to make this my foil boil. Alright? And if I think of adding something else, I really wanted another piece of salmon and like a fish or something, but I don't have anymore. And I ain't finna go to the store. I'm not going to the store. I will be seasoning it with my little specialty. Okay? So, peace and hair grease. I am out. You are now on blast. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'll be bringing you more recipes. I'll find some recipes that other YouTubers are making, and just to fact check, taste check, and let y'all know, okay, that was good. It's the bomb, and I'm gonna make it just like that person made it. Alright, so if you come across somebody you want me to make it and then give you the 411 because they might be laughing on that shit, lying about it, nah, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'll make it, but make sure it looks good first, or else I'm not gonna make it. So leave in the comment section what you want me to make, whose page is from, and yada yada yada. Peace and hair grease. I'm out.